Have you ever wondered, do fish get thirsty? I mean, they live in water. So do they feel that dry mouth urge like we do after eating too many chips or walking few meters? Well, the short answer is not really. But the real explanation is way more interesting. See, for humans and other land animals, thirst is basically a signal from the brain saying, you're running low on water, go drink. But fish are literally surrounded by water all the time, so their bodies work differently. Here's where it gets cool. Not all fish live in the same kind of water. Freshwater fish, like the ones in rivers, ponds, or lakes, are swimming in water that's less salty than their own bodies. And because of this thing called osmosis, water is constantly sneaking into their cells. It's like their bodies are being force hydrated all the time, so they don't really need to drink. Instead, they spend most of their effort getting rid of all that extra water. And how do they do that? By peeing. A lot. Freshwater fish pee way more than saltwater fish do. Now, saltwater fish have the opposite problem. The ocean is way saltier than their bodies, so water is constantly leaving them. If they just sat there without doing anything, they'd basically dry out, even underwater. To fix that, saltwater fish actually drink seawater. Yep, they gulp it down, and then their gills and kidneys filter out the extra salt. That's a pretty intense water management system. So, in a way, you could say freshwater fish are overhydrated and saltwater fish are constantly dehydrated. But neither of them feel thirsty the way we do. It's not a conscious urge for them. It's just biology working in the background. So the final answer, fish don't really get thirsty. Freshwater fish don't drink at all. Saltwater fish drink all the time. And both survive because their bodies are designed for the environment they live in. Kind of ironic, right? We're here sipping bottled water to stay hydrated, while a salmon literally has to rewire its entire system just to move between a river and the sea.